Hello, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 3. Would like to explain our project work today in our fourth project. At this time, we took the title member supermarket and the number of groups consisted of three people, namely Virgi Febrian Hermawan, Muhammad Yudhistira Prakoso, and Gemma Akbar Ramadan. Don't forget to also thank our lecturer, Mrs. Vera Ferdian, as the supervisor who helped us complete the fourth project assignment. This time, without wasting any time, just get straight to the explanation. Certificate, system analysis, system summary. This analysis system loads section and contains an explanation of the process data and analysis and discussion of result. The analysis in this data analysis we include initial data, product data, data tree, pivot table, and pivot chart. What are the contents of each sheet? First, in the initial data, sheet which contains price information and basic price on the product. Sheet including category, item name, selling price, description, stock, and one data. Sheet display the result of stock, goods sold, the remaining goods, the cost of goods, and total profit obtained. And there are data tree which contains more significant and complete results than the data held, and on the pivot table sheet that summarize large data in a short time. And finally, there is a pivot chart that display charts of selling price and stock. Next slide. Acknowledgement. We have benefit a lot from the feedback and suggestion given to us by Vera Ferdian and other to faculty members. Okay, slide 6. Um, on the sheet, first data, there is a column price list of superindo goods containing list of price for chicken meat type, list of price for meat type, list of price for fish type, list of price for bath soap type, and others. Furthermore, the selling price column contains the price of each item available at the superindo company. The information column display the total weight in the price indicate in the previous column, and the last column, cost of goods, contains the cost of each item. Next slide. Okay, next, the sheet product has a category column containing the category of each item, and next to it is a name of item column which states the name of the goods from each category, selling price, description, and stock which states the number of goods available in store. Slide 8. On the data sheet shows the name of the item, price information, the number of goods sold, the number of goods available, the cost of goods, and the profit from the sale of each item. Slide 9. And then all columns in the block are ready to be sorted to become a pivot table. Slide 10. Next slide. Please, next slide. Slide 10. And this an example of the result of a block table sort. There is the name of the item, estate, the total selling price, and the total available stock. Gimana?
Okay, thanks to you, Distira Proposal. I will explain the next explanation. On slide 12, there is Excel function. Number one, minus, number 2 multiply, number 3 3D referency, number 4 addition, number 5 percentage, number 6 division. Next slide. On the next slide, there is implementation number 1 minus. To get the result of the residual goods, you must calculate the stock and goods sold. Then reduce the stock and goods sold using the formula D14 minus E14. Next slide. On the next slide, there is multiply. To calculate the profit, we use multiply and make the formula like this. Same P6 multiply 10 multiply A6 minus G6 D6 multiply 10 B6 multiply and multiply A6 and then why are there 10 because each stock is taken 1 kilogram. Well, if you want to sell it must be 100 grams. Next slide. On the next slide, there is implementation 3 3D reference. Same data awal B230 to get the price on e-data sheet using the 3D reference formula. That is the formula is same data awal B14. Why from the initial data? Because to calculate the price on the data sheet, you have to take data from the initial data first. And next slide. Next slide, implementation. Addition. To calculate the total profit on the data sheet is to use the formula plus and calculate all the profit using the formula same H6 plus H7 plus H8 and so on. That is all of my next explanation will be explanation by Virgi Febrian.
Okay,
Virgi.
thanks to Mark Ramadan who has explanation about implementation that we has used. For the next implementation is 5 is percentage. Percentage is to find the cost of goods using the formula. The formula is B13 minus B13 multiply 25%. And the next implementation is division. To find information of the initial datasheet using the formula division 100 gram. Okay, next is the power pivot. Power pivot, we use a pivot table and pivot chart. We use the pivot table to view the sales summary from the data collected and calculate the total quantity in the price. And this is a picture about the pivot table. And this is a example pictures of pivot table. And next implementation is pivot chart. The explanation about pivot chart, we use pivot chart to present data from a chart perspective. The data show each sale and the sum of selling price and the amount of stock. And this is the picture of pivot chart. But this picture not update yet because a lot problem in the chart. And this example of pivot chart. And that's it, our explanation about project 4. If we are made many mistakes in our project. Forgive us, but we will do the best for this project. Maybe that's from all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.